Hello traders. Welcome to this week's Forex Profit of the Week update. We are going to discuss about US dollar and Canadian dollar pair. Why the pair US dollar to Canadian dollar is one of the interesting pair to watch for this week. The US dollar to Canadian dollar pair has shown a bullish trend this week. The US dollar soared against the Canadian dollar, which has weakened significantly due to poor economic data. Although the US dollar was weak in the broader market, the loonie was even weaker, driving the bullish momentum in the US dollar to Canadian dollar pair. Canadian inflation eased more than expected in June, with the rate coming in at 2.7% compared to the previous 2.9% in May. This lower than expected inflation has boosted bets for a rate cut by the Bank of Canada, further weakening the Canadian dollar. The Bank of Canada is likely to cut interest rates next week in response to the easing inflation and weak economic data. Economists also predict that the central bank may implement 2 more rate cuts later in 2024, putting additional pressure on the Canadian dollar. Investors will focus on the Bank of Canada policy meeting next week, which is expected to result in a rate cut. Additionally, reports on US GDP and durable goods will be released, providing further insights into the US economy. However, unless there is a significant surprise in the US GDP data, it is unlikely to alter the outlook for a potential rate cut in September. Now, what the technical chart shown us. Let's go to the chart now. We have opened the daily chart of US dollar to Canadian dollar and noticed that the pair has been moving higher for the past 3 days, influenced by a weaker Canadian dollar. Currently, the price is moving above the 20-period moving average, and the stochastic indicator is also rising towards the overbought area, suggesting that US dollar to Canadian dollar may continue its upward movement. We have identified key support levels at 1.3655 and 1.3588, while resistance levels are at 1.3782 and 1.3845. If the price continues to increase and reaches the resistance level, it could potentially move even higher to the next resistance level, offering a profit potential of 50 to 110 pips. However, if US dollar to Canadian dollar fails to break above the resistance level, there is a possibility that the price could retreat lower, attempting to break through to the support levels. Remember to always be aware of your risk management before entering any positions. Okay, that's all for today's analysis. See you in the next video.